Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme C65 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up and power key together, and now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now press and hold the power and volume down key for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. So now here select language, and after it will send you in recovery. Here you can see format data, reboot device and power off is available. So here select format data. So here you can see format data, please enter verification code 2472. So you can see this is the verification code 2472. Enter it 2472, and you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme C65 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.